In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Hyundai Ioniq key fob. This key fob was used between 2017 and 2020 and uses a CR2032 battery. You can change this battery yourself at home. It's very simple. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver and a CR2032 battery. If you'd like to get one online, I've left a link down in the YouTube description. They're just a couple bucks. It'll come right to your doorstep. It's probably the easiest way to get one. And once you have your battery, just push on this button to pull out the internal key. Now we can see the keyhole and then a slot right next to it. We're going to take our flathead screwdriver, insert it into that little slot, and twist, just like that. Now the key fob is starting to come apart. We can put our tool in, twist, work our way down, twist, until the two halves come apart. Now we have the battery and it's housed in this little plastic area. You're going to need to use something to get it out. If you have a smaller flathead than I do, you can maybe just pry at it, but to safely remove it, I'm going to use this precision screwdriver. If you'd like to get one of these, you can get a set of them just for a few dollars on Amazon, so I'll leave a link down in the description. And using something small enough to fit right in this little area, we're going to push all the way down to the bottom under the battery and just pry like that, and it will pop right out. Take a brand new CR2032 battery, make sure that this positive side with the text and information goes down, and now just position it, pushing it down into this little metal component before clicking the top into place, and it should sit flush in there. Now we just click the two halves of the key fob back together like that, put the key back in its place, and as you can see, well, if you had a fresh battery, this light would come on indicating that the battery has juice and it's ready to go. And that's really all it takes to change your internal battery. If this video helped you, feel free to leave a like. And for more information, click the link in the YouTube description to go to fobbattery.com to see the full guide on the Hyundai Ioniq. Thank you so much for watching.